Hi, I'm Jerry, a Chinese student of IIS-RU, Bangkok, Thailand. Oh, my mom texts me. Let's go to university with me. Thai tea is my favorite drink. I'm at IIS building. This is the separate house. Here is my class journey. Step by step, it becomes familiar. We are in class now. We learned about intercultural communication. During our lunch break, our canteen has variety foods. At 4, class ends. Next day, we have field trip at Ayutthaya. Our class will teach Thai students cyber culture. At the afternoon, we introduce our university to students. And a fun Kahoot game relating to cultures. Community inside and outside our campus. This is a day in the life of me. A Chinese student studying in Thailand.